Okay, hi guys, it's me, Hillary, back again. Sorry for the background noise, it's just my brother saying consistency. But today we'll be making slime, and this is how it looks. I'm touching it. As you can see, I am touching it. I put my finger all the way in it, and I put it in, and
You made that?
I made this, but I actually got this container from Giant. But
You got the container, but not
I
the...
trashed the slime that was in here because it wasn't very holdable, so I did not use that. So I trashed it, and this is the container because I needed somewhere to store it. So I already put it in here. So the ingredients you'll need to make this is glue. I used the white glue because I don't want it to be see-through. So I used white glue myself. I used white glue and yellow food coloring. It's optional if you want to use food coloring, and you need borax and water. So
I heard what you said.
right here.
It's not for you, Harry. It's not for Katie.
Yes, it is.
That's who?
So you'll need this, and I'm gonna put the cap somewhere. And now you need something to mix in,
Consistency.
and a mixing tool.
Consistency.
This is my mixing tool.
Consistency.
And I put, sorry. And I put everything together in there. Yes.